Today we will discuss the consistency and solution of system of linear equations. Consider the system a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This system consists three equations in three variables. Now this system can be written as ax is equals to b, where A is the matrix a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 and a3 b3 c3. X is the matrix x y z and b is the matrix d1 d2 d3. First of all, we will find determinant A and we will check whether it is non-zero or 0. If determinant A is non-zero, we say system is consistent and has unique solution. And if determinant A is 0, further we find adjoint A into B and we check whether it is 0 or it is non-zero. If determinant A is 0 and adjoint A into B is 0, we will say system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. And if determinant A is 0, adjoint A into B is non-zero, we will say system is inconsistent and has no solution. So three cases are there. If determinant A is non-zero, we will say system is consistent and has unique solution. Case 2, when determinant A is 0 and adjoint A into B is also 0. In this case, system is consistent and has infinitely many solutions. And in case 3, when determinant A is 0 but adjoint A into B is non-zero. In this case, system is inconsistent and has no solution. In the next video, we will learn how to solve the system using matrix method.